Hello techies, we are in lab 3.2.8 and we're going to secure a switch. So you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You need to secure access to your switch. Okay, so in this lab the task is to create a new user account with username, password is provided, user level, and edit the default user account as follow. Username is Cisco, password provided. Save the changes to the switch startup configuration. This is lab 3.2.8. Let us start up. Now, in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm so sorry about that. I'm trying to make this as fast as possible so that the video won't be unnecessarily too long. You can always pause the video occasionally and walk at your own pace. Match every move I make in this video. Alright, so we are inside the lab and we open Chrome and type in 192.168.0.2 and let's see what we have. Cisco, I put the password and let's maximize this so that you see better and create a user account with the following details. So we'll go to administrator, user account, add, and this is going to be username. It's going to be ITS switch admin, password. You can always copy and paste all of this, but I like to type it out myself. So confirm password again. So let's type out the password in here. And this is management access 15 is selected. We apply, close. So edit the default user account as follows. Username is going to be Cisco, so we edit this. Username is Cisco and the password is provided. We just type it in, or you can always copy and paste if you don't want to type it in. So we confirm the password by repeating it here, and the user label is going to be read only CLI access 1. So we select this and we apply, and this is done. We save. Remember to save, so click on save, apply, okay, and we wait for it to process, and that has been done. We click on done. If this video was helpful to you in any way, share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.